Good morning children. Welcome back to the social studies class. In the previous class, you have already learned about globe, poles, latitude, longitude, axis and the equator. In today's class, I am going to continue the lesson. Children, open your textbook, page number 158. I am going to read the lesson. Observe the lesson carefully. Maps. The globe has a curved surface and so we cannot find all the parts at a glance. In order to overcome such difficulty, the globe is represented on a flat surface, which is called as a map. Children, look here. As we all know that our earth is round in shape. That is spherical in shape. This is our earth. Has curved surfaces. Look here, these are curved surfaces. These are not straight surface, these are curved surface. We cannot see the whole part at a time. If we want to see the whole part, we have to rotate the globe. Then only we can see all the parts of the earth. Here, so, children, we cannot see the whole surface of the globe. So, it is represented on a flat surface that is called map. Children, what is this? This is map. Here, we can see all the parts easily. There are many kinds of maps such as physical maps, political maps, outline maps, etc. The maps represents the whole world and only a part of it. A book of maps is called an atlas. See children, here you know that this is a map. There are many types of maps are there, like physical map, political map, and outline map. Outline map and many more. These are the different types of maps like physical map, political map, outline map and many more. These physical map shows the physical divisions like oceans, desert, plains, plateaus, mountains, etc. Whereas the political map shows the countries, its capital cities and the places and the continents, etc. The book of maps is called an atlas. There are many kinds of maps in it. Now, let's go to the directions. Directions. There are 4 directions. They are north, south, east, west. These directions are given to understand the map. The upper side of the map will always show north. The lower side of the map will always show south. The right side of the map will always show east. The left side of the map will always show west. The universal fact is that the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Children, now we will see the direction. There are 4 directions. How many directions are there? There are 4 directions. They are north, south, east and the west. So, 4 directions are there. They are north, south, east and west. With the help of these direction, we can easily find out the places on the map. Look here, children. Children, the upper part of the map always shows north direction and the lower part always shows south direction. And the right hand, this part always shows east direction and the left hand side part always shows west direction. So children, on this map, this is the north point and down part is, this is south point and this is east side and this is west side. This is north, this is south, this is east and the west. With the help of these four directions, we can easily find out the location of the place. Children, as we all know that the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the which side, children? East direction. Sun rises in the east direction as well as it sets in the west direction. In the west direction. Understood, children? Sun rises in the east direction and also it sets in the evening, that is in west direction. So children, I hope you all understood the lesson. In this lesson, we have learned about globe, poles like North Pole and South Pole, longitude, latitude, maps, types of maps and directions. Once you read the lesson and do the given exercise part and the given classwork in your notebook. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.